Hello, before we jump into today's recipe, I just want to go over some quick oven safety with you because we are going to be using the ovens today. And I know sometimes not all of you have ever used one by yourselves. So I just want to go over a couple of things with you before we get started. All right, this is my oven at home. It is an electric oven. So the way that you can tell is electric ovens have these burners on them, coils, or you may have just a flat surface that heats up. With gas stoves, if you have one, when you would turn it on and turn the knob on, you'd actually have a flame that comes up. And we have electric ones at school too. So that's what we normally use. So just to point out a couple things, these knobs here are what's going to turn your burner on, whether it's electric or gas, and sometimes they have them on the front. So you can go low to high. I very rarely turn mine on all the way, but I just want to show you because the burners do get red on the electric stoves. And then you have your bake, broil, you can change the temperature, set your timer, things like that. And then on the other side. So when you're using your range, which is the top of the oven here, you want to match your pot to the burner. So you can see there's two different sizes. And if I were to have my tea kettle on here, I would choose the smaller one since the bottom fits around it. I wouldn't want to put it on this bigger one because that's all going to get hot around it and you have a greater chance of burning yourself. So you just have to be careful. And then with the oven itself, whenever you have the oven on, you always want to stand to the side and open the door while you're on the side. That way when the heat escapes, it's not coming all up in your face. Before you turn your oven on, you want to make sure that you adjust the racks in there to the proper heights of whatever you are cooking. And then always using pot holders. So I'll go over a couple of things when we're actually doing our recipe later. But as you can see here, the burner does get red. So it is hot. So obviously you have to be very careful and not touch that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off since I'm not actually cooking anything. I just wanted to show you guys. So that's just a quick lesson on ovens. Again, we'll be using them with our recipe today.